Hi everyone, Panchaman here from the Zap team. Welcome to our video tutorial series on how to create a community airport. We're going to start today with part one, just going to go through the tools that you need and how to get them. So we're going to go ahead and start with Unity. You're going to go to unity.com, go to download, and go ahead and download the Unity Hub. It's going to probably download Unity version 6 at first, and then when we start our project, it'll download Unity 2022, which is what we need. After you download Unity, you're going to want to go to the SDK drive from Fielder. The way to get to it is it's pinned in the Fielder Discord under unofficial SDK. You're going to go ahead and find that link. This is our Google Drive, and this has the Airport Editor HD, which is very important. So you're going to go ahead and download that and unzip it. After that, you're going to find your Unity Hub here, and we're going to add Airport Editor HD. So you're going to go to Add, Project from Disk. You're going to find where it is. Here, I have it here. Airport Editor HD, and open. It's going to go ahead and load it up and your projects, and you'll see that the editor version should be 2022.3.53.f1. And then we'll go ahead and open it. It'll take a little while to go to open. The next thing you're going to need is Terraland 3. This is optional. Terraland is a Unity plugin that helps you download satellite images. It can also be used for more advanced 3D stuff as well, which we'll cover in a different tutorial. But we found Terraland 3 to be the best satellite images that you can acquire without paying for access to other satellite images that can get quite costly. There is an alternative. If you don't use Terraland, you can use Blossom. We'll put up a separate tutorial on how to use Blossom to get the satellite images. But here we'll be using Terraland. So you'll want to go ahead and acquire Terraland, either the Unity package file or through the Unity package manager if you buy it directly through Unity. While this is going on, let's go ahead and get another tool that will be really important. We're going to find OSM to Airport from Curated Pile. Just search for Curated Pile. We'll find his website here, and we'll go ahead and download OSM to Airport and unpack it. While that's going on, we'll just do a little bit of prep work here. Let's go ahead and find our Airport Editor HD folder, and we'll go ahead into Assets. And if you have Terraland in the Unity package format, you'll go ahead and just paste it in there so that we can use that later on to install. So just waiting for Unity to get opened up here.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so Unity is ready to go. What we're going to do is, before we forget, we're going to go to Edit, Project Settings. We're going to go to Player. We're going to scroll down in Player to this setting here, API Compatibility Level, and we're going to go ahead and change this to .NET Framework and make sure that is taken care of. Otherwise, Terraland will have a really tough time and throw out a lot of errors. So we'll let Airport Editor do its thing and update to the updated .NET framework. Once that's done, let's go back here. We'll find our assets folder where we had Terraland. We'll double click it to install it. So it'll pull up everything in there. And we'll go ahead and import. And this will take a little while. While that's going on, there's one last piece of, one last thing that we can go ahead and set up that will really make our life easier, and that is the IKEA template. This is a file that just helps you get started. Here we can click No, and it will help with just fast tracking the setup process for a new airport. So we're going to go ahead and look for that. It's available in the Zap Discord. Once we find that, we'll go into our assets, airports folder. I'm just going to put a copy here for any future airports. And we'll just go ahead and make another folder for the airport that we want to do. Here we're going to make Bogota, Colombia. So SKBO. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here and we'll rename it what we want. So skbo.unity. Now our Terraland is setting up. We've got Unity Hub installed. We've got Unity Editor. We've got our Airport Editor HD installed. So everything is good in Unity. We've got our OSM to Airport tool installed, and we've got our template installed. So once this is ready to go, we are good to go, and we will start with making an airport. So we'll see you in the next video, and we'll take it from there. Thanks.